Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to record screen on Mac. So let's start. First of all, we need to scroll down from the top to the bottom of our Mac to get this controls menu. And then in the right bottom corner, as you can see right now, the recording is on for me. So if you want to record the screen, all you have to do is click on this icon and then the recording will start. However, if you don't have this icon on this screen, simply hold on the empty space under all of those icons, press and hold your thumb, and after a second or two, a menu like this will show up. At the bottom, we can click on the Add a Control button, and this will open possibilities for us where we can have different options. So over here, you need to find screen recording. You can type in the search at the top, for example, screen. And as you can see, it found screen recording for me over here in the left side under display and brightness settings. So simply click on it. And then as you can see in the left bottom corner, it was automatically added and it's red right now because it's recording. If it's not recording, it will turn into the white color. So now, once we already added it, we can click on the empty space one time and we went out of the controls settings editing view. And now you can simply open this menu, click on the recording and your screen will be recorded that way. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you managed to screen record your iPhone, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.